Okay, give y'all a tour of the cruise ship. This is one of the dining places. I don't know if you can hear me or not. So, they happened upon a restaurant that we ain't tried. But this is one of the places. Don't you know you're my everything? Oh, sweet thing.
And what we do, I'll take the pork and beef.
What's down the seat?
Chicken and beef.